I've been told that she's good as gold. Yeah, and she'll leave you wanting more, laying low. But I could see the smoke, yeah, and I knew it wouldn't be long. Well, I could stay, whoa, I could stay away long enough to die another day. Well, I could try to get it right, if it's gonna keep you alive, keep you alive. Saying, who is smoking cigarettes? Who is smoking something else? Who is smoking cigarettes? Who is smoking something else? Let it go, or just take it slow. Don't you go looking for trouble now. I don't know why I can't let go. That woman's got me her naked show. The mess I know. Woo! Hey, Gringo. Whoa, you gotta stay out of Mexico and not see the war. Hey, tranquilo, amigo. I didn't know she was spoken for. Now I'm a lover, not a fighter. It's all bueno. Saying, who is smoking cigarettes? Who is smoking something else? Who is smoking cigarettes? Who is smoking something else? Is it you? Is it you? Is it you? Ooh, better tell the truth. Is it you? Is it you? Is it you? I sold my soul for the sad drugs and rock and roll. Said I sold my soul to a woman in Mexico. That woman in Mexico.